Hi, and welcome to our online training. What are we going to learn in this training module? There are 3 variables that influence the product success that the product marketing manager should be aware of when promoting a product. Product lifecycle position, covered in a separate training module, which shows where the product is and which challenges we have which we should take into account. For example, if a product is in a decline stage, we need to take into account not only competitors' products, but also other products that we have that provide a similar service, and what differentiates between them. This is not the case when the product is in an introduction stage. In this module, we review the different stages in the buying journey. What are the questions the client asks himself, and how can we best position our product in each stage? Other considerations and players in the buying journey, such as the players and influencers and the market, are covered in separate modules. Note: during the class we use the term product. Please note that a product can be hardware, software, service, or a mix of the above. The buyer's journey is an important framework for marketing strategy. But what does it look like? How are buyers getting from step 1, do I have a need, to a justified decision? How can marketers harness this knowledge to create campaigns centered on the customer life cycle? The buyer's journey looks at the journey we take when making a buying decision and turn it into an important framework for marketing strategy. Today, about 50 to 70% of the buyer's journey is completed before a buyer even reaches out to vendors. Marketers and sales representatives alike have to adjust their strategies to cope with these changes in consumer practices. But what can they do about the 50 to 70% of the buyer's journey that they're missing out on? What are buyers doing during this time? In stage 1, which we call exploring possible problem, the buyers usually are not aware of a problem, or aware of it but not yet sure if it's a priority or critical enough to make an effort and investment to change. The buyers continue to work and operate their business in the same way they always did. As the buyers are beginning to explore this issue, or they've been made aware of it by vendors or colleagues, a potential new problem that they believe should be addressed is highlighted, as it can improve the business. For this example, we will take a B2B2C product. Let's use an example. We work for a local luggage manufacturing company, and we are currently promoting our new product, a hard case, 4-wheel, and mid-range priced suitcase. The 4-wheel suitcase costs more than the 2-wheel suitcase. Our customer is Mrs. X, an owner of a small bags and suitcase shop located in a small neighborhood. She usually buys the 2-wheel suitcases. Is she convinced that it is in her best interest to shift to the 4-wheel suitcase? Is the problem big enough and a priority for her to commit to change? By committing to change, she will accept that this is a problem she wants to fix, and it is a priority to fix, and now she will move to the second stage, solution.